Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Turo promo codes. So this is pretty simple and I'm just going to jump right into it. First of all, you have to open your web browser and search for Turo promo codes. You can do that on your mobile phone as well as your computer. So after that, you should be able to find this website, which is Coupon Follow. And I'm going to open this website. And as you can see right here, I'm getting this list with different discount promo codes. So let's say I want to get this $25 discount promo code. And what I'm going to do is select this option right here where it says show coupon code. And basically, this is my discount code for my $25 discount. So what I'm going to do is copy this discount code. And if I'm going to apply this to my purchase, I'm going to get this discount. So you can also go back to the website and scroll through all these discount codes and find the best one for you. And if you are not able to find the best discount that you are searching for on this website, you can also go to the latimes.com website. And right here, there are as well some different promo codes. And if you want to choose, let's say, this one with 10% off, you can select this option where it says view coupon and you can copy the discount code right here and use it on your purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.